What's up, everyone? It's Rick here with UTVSource.com, and 5 days ago we dropped off the 2021 Can-Am Defender Crewmax limited edition build to the guys at UTV Stereo. There's a problem. We need more power. It says a tiny battery. I'm over it. There's nothing on the market currently available for it, so we hit them up, and let's see what they've got for us.
What's going on, guys? Like Rick said, they dropped off the Defender to us 5 days ago. In that time frame, we were able to put together an awesome second battery kit option for you guys. This kit is going to be including a 1200 UTV Stereo battery, has 55 amp hours on this battery, a very nice heavy duty mounting option for it that goes just behind your driver's rear seat. Wire harnesses for everything using the factory Can-Am accessory plug to trigger your Isolator. That way it is in parallel when the car's on, and then it's isolated when the batteries or the car's off. That way you can run your stereos, lights, accessories. And if that battery isn't enough for your amperage hours, you can also roll into replacing your starting battery with our UTV Stereo 925. That's a 30 amp hour battery. So overall, if you combine those two, you're gonna get 65 more amp hours than what the car already has from factory. Also, another really important thing on these cars is rolling into our 12 volt maintainers also. You would have to have one for each battery. They do make it very easy. They have the ring terminals, leave them right on the battery. That way you have a quick plug and play connection right here that plugs right into the wall, and keep those batteries 100% before you go out. You're gonna have a lot less problems on the trails with your lights. They're gonna stay on the whole time. You're gonna be able to play your stereo for hours and not have any battery issues, because that just ruins weekends, honestly. So also do have a micro start jump pack here, just in case you ever do run into any issues with starting battery. Nice easy option. You put them in door bags, storage compartments, really small, easy to carry around, and then start your car if you're having issues. So
Brando, that's awesome. You guys banged this out in 5 days. Yep. The bracket's awesome. It's a huge battery. It's like a car battery.
Yeah.
So you have a car battery, and then you have the stock size battery that's gonna fit in with all the factory brackets.
Yep.
As well. So it's a lot of power. So let's, I wanna know where you guys put this thing.
Yeah, just check it out. So right behind the driver's rear seat, there's a panel back here. The mounting plate just bolts right down to the actual chassis, so it's nice and sturdy. Really thick battery strap, that way that thing's not going to be moving around on you at all. Plenty of room down there. Just route the wires up over the headers, and it drops right down into the stock battery tray, so not hard to run those wires at all.
Super clean.
Super clean location for it to be not taking up too much space.
That is so rad. So there's just a little plastic shield that goes back on. That's the only thing that's removed. On this side, you can see the plastic right here. So the battery's even gonna be hidden. You guys crushed it. So in the inside, show me the isolator.
Yeah. So isolator is gonna be mounted right next to the stock battery. So it's gonna be just bolted in. We provide all the hardware for mounting options, everything.
Just right there.
Right in there with the primary battery. You'll run your smaller gauge wires right here. You'll run those down to the accessory plug, and then all of the thicker gauge wires are gonna be what's connecting the two batteries.
That's so rad. This is stock battery location, and you can upgrade it. Gives you another, what, 10 amps?
15.
Another 15?
Almost doubling the stock amperage by going with our 925.
So basically, this thing shouldn't die, ever.
No, and especially, like I said, maintaining them is probably 80% of the battle. The charging systems on these things aren't that great, so definitely make sure you have 100% battery on both of them before you go out, and that's where you're not gonna run into any issues.
All right, guys, I really appreciate it. You guys knocked it out of the park. Excited to see what everyone thinks about it, and thanks again.
Yeah, thanks for letting us have the opportunity, and keep it coming.
Thanks, buddy. If you guys like what you're seeing, make sure you comment below. Continue to follow us at UTV Source on the YouTube channel. Subscribe to our email list at UTV Source, and get in on the stories. That's where the magic happens as well. Until next time, see you guys out there. This thing's gonna look just a little bit different.